Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning scope and intent, then act. Identify 3 trusted sources and grant access. This avoids noise and biased results. Next, pick semantic, keyword, or hybrid search. Set relevance around 0. 7 to 0. 9 so results stay precise. Finally, write a focused query that states intent, constraints, and the output format you need. Once done, submit the query and skim the top 3 results for immediate relevance. Don't scroll aimlessly. Now you refine. Read snippets and metadata, timestamps, authorship, and confidence so you know why a result appears. If the output drifts, iteratively refine by adding exclusions, concrete examples, or rephrasing intent. Small wording changes can sharpen results significantly. Make use of filters like date range, domain restrict, file type, and minimum confidence to cut irrelevant hits. As you refine, test with 2-3 variant queries to confirm consistency, and lock in the phrasing that returns reproducible, high-quality answers. Finish by validating results. Cross-check key facts against 1 or 2 primary sources and verify provenance fields. Once satisfied, export the findings, include citations or source snippets, and save the query as a reusable template. If results are poor, troubleshoot quickly. Clear the search cache, reauthorize source permissions, or temporarily lower the relevance threshold to 0. 5 and rerun. Make sure to log changes so you can revert. With this loop, you keep searches efficient and reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.